Hi there and welcome to the Bad Credit Mortgage channel. If you're struggling with bad credit and you're feeling overwhelmed by the mortgage process, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to buy a home and you're suffering from certain credit issues such as a county court judgment, a defaulted account, or even a bankruptcy, or perhaps you're simply interested in improving your credit score, our job is to give you the information and the answers that you need. But who am I to talk about bad credit and bad credit mortgages? Well, my name's Josh Tomlinson and I'm also the founder of My Mortgage Finder, a company set up in 2018 with over 25 employees whose sole purpose is to help people with bad credit get on the property ladder. I've personally advised thousands of clients and have over 10 years industry experience. So with that being said, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more tips on all things bad credit and bad credit mortgage related, and we'll see you in the next video.